welcome to another Purveyor of Light Lightroom quick tip. Today is an interesting one. We all love photography, and we love it even more when somebody licenses or purchases our images. And sometimes it's hard for people to find out who the owner is and where to go and get that information. Using Lightroom and then a program that Google has set up will actually make that a lot easier for you and your customer and that to get together. Okay, so Google has set up, I'm going to bring that up right here on the website. It's a beta program right now, but you can go ahead and start now utilizing it and setting up your images to support this. Basically, this is if a person types in, I'm searching for an image, say elephants at the sunset, they'll get results, of all the images, that fit that criteria. But you'll notice something different here on the top. The top images have a mark on them, a tag that says licensable. That means that image can be licensed, and it's part of the active thing. And notice that it's given preferential treatment. It's on the top of the search results, and pictures that don't have the license are just down below, sometimes pages down. Okay, so there's a benefit right there. Your pictures are more findable. And when they click on the picture, they'll get more info like this on the right. Okay, they'll get the information, the creator, the photograph, the agents, whoever's, all the licensing information. And when they want to go get the information, they just hit visit, and it will take them right to your licensing page, and you can then get together and work out your terms for licensing the image. So it's a pretty nice, easy program. But in order to do it, we need to modify our pictures in Lightroom. So let's jump right into Lightroom. So here I've got a sunset picture of a windmill in Texas, and the first thing I need to do is make sure that I have keywording, because if they don't find it, and you can see I have windmill, Texas, and that, so we're good. All right, so the terms that they're going to search for are already keyworded. Our next thing is go into metadata, and open that up, and you'll notice by default this is the no default view, and that's all it shows. What we need is particular fields that Google wants to see. So we're going to have to pull down here from default and open up IPTC, and you're going to see that adds a lot of fields to there, but don't worry about it. You only have to fill out a couple of them. The first one is the creator field. All right, and that's the creator. So if you're the photographer, put your name in there. And the next field we need to get is the website. Now this is the website that they can go to get information on how to license. It could just be a static page. You could point anywhere you want, and just so it's a page on the web that they can go to get how to contact you. All right. Then we go from website, we go to credit. And that will be whatever your name is. If you're just an individual, then just type your name again in there. If you happen to be a photography business, then put your photography business name here. And that's all we need to do for IPTC. Now we need to pull down here again, and we need to select IPTC extension. And we're going to open that up, and that's going to give us a new list of fields. All right, and what we're looking for is a thing called licenser, and it's usually down toward the bottom. And this one's a little tricky because I don't know why Lightroom does this, but they hide a bunch of fields from you, under licenser. So the first thing you need to do is go to licenser and then type your name in, But you need to click in this to see the underlying fields. I don't know why Lightroom designed it this way. But click it, and now you saw it drops down, and we can put in the name and the URL for licensing. Okay? And you fill that out, and you're done. Okay? And that's all there is to it. And then from then on, when Google does their nightly web crawl and they go out and search for images and blah, 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 and catalog everything, they will come up. And then when a customer starts searching for images, you'll be placed with the licensable tag. And it'll be a nice thing, and then hopefully you guys can make a few dollars. At least it'll give your images higher priority as far as searchability. So I think it's a great program. And that's all there is to it. And what I recommend is do a preset in Lightroom to save all that fields, and then just this way you could just say, okay, load it up. So I hit my preset, and all these fields get filled out. So hopefully you find this useful. Again, we can never hurt getting enough attention and getting our images found online. So until next week, you guys take care.